Hey friends, today we're going to be visiting the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History. There's one specific place that I want you to go first, and then I want you to explore the museum a little bit. I'm going to show you how to go ahead and navigate through, and you'll notice at the bottom of the page where you got your link, there are a handful of questions, including a journal that I want you to write about your experience. So go ahead and read those questions first, so you kind of have an idea what you're looking for. And then when you come back on here, you'll be able to see this is the layout up in the upper right hand corner. You've got the ground floor. Right now we are on the first floor. This is a map of the first floor. And there is a second floor as well. So I want you to start at the second floor. So I'm going to click on the second floor, and I want you to go down here to this. It's the special exhibits. So there's Egypt 3, 2, and Egypt 1 right here. So as you hover your mouse, your pointer, over each of these dots, it will take you to a specific place in the museum. So we're going to start at Egypt 1, and as I click on that, it will bring me to mummification and mummies. So after you click on that, if you click on this X, that will get that right out of your way. And then what you can do is if you right click and hold that button down and move around a little bit, you can kind of get an idea of how you can scroll around and pan all the way around and see all the different things that we'll be looking at. If you look down at the floor, you'll see these arrows. So keep an eye on the arrows, and if you hover over the arrows, that will give you an idea of what is next and where that arrow will take you. Oh, my mouse froze. Sorry. Come on. There we go. So that will give you an idea as to where that will take you. If you look at the cameras here, if you click on that camera, it will show you a close-up picture of that specific artifact that's there. And then the other thing that I want you to look at too is, so I'm going to start at why mummify the body, and I want you to think back to what we did with King Tut when we did our informational reading unit, and we did a lot with King Tut. If you scroll in, you can zoom right in on this, and you can get even closer, and you will notice that, yeah, they're a little bit grainy, but you can read most of the plaques that are up here. And then you can scroll out, and then you can start looking around other places. So here's Exhibit Egypt 2. I'm going to go there. And if you look down, that's going to bring me to Bones. I don't want to go to Bones right this second. There's Egypt 1, back where we started. So go ahead and explore a little bit. Answer the questions, and I'll be curious to see what you guys come up with. Happy exploring!